Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the map settings, options, and features for the Yeedi C12 Combo. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's a look at the Yeedi C12 Combo all set up and ready to go. We're going to enter into our device. That's going to bring up our map right here, and we can see our previous clean, which is cool, showing you where exactly the vacuum has been around the house. The best way to get to our map settings, top right-hand corner, we have three icons. The first two icons relate to the map, so we'll start with the first one. This is your map display settings. You can check or uncheck these four options, depending on the layout, color, name, or sequence, if you want to show those on the map. So that's your map display settings. But the second icon is going to be your map management. Top right-hand corner, that's where we can map our home. If you put this on like a second story, a basement, another area around the house, that's how you're going to activate the mapping to get a new map. And it can save up to 3 maps at one time. Here's a look at saved maps right here. We have 3 dots on each map. That's where you can back up, restore, name, or delete. Then we also have our edit map. This is where you'll spend the most time getting the map exactly how you want it. First, you can add virtual walls and barriers. We have our line here. That's a no entry. You can also add a no mopping line too, which is interesting because technically this doesn't have mopping on the vacuum. The Combo has the mop attachment for the cordless vac. So that must be a leftover feature from the mopping versions of the C12. And then you can also add your rectangular boundaries here. That's going to be your no-go zones. And we can also add in yellow the no mopping zones. But again, same thing, there's no mopping on this vacuum. Then we have our room option here, so we can edit our rooms, we can adjust the name, and then you can confirm. We have our divide option, so we could select a room and we could divide it. Hit the check if you want to do that. Drag and drop, reconfigure, rotate it. You get the idea. And then we can also combine rooms. So if we wanted to add 2 rooms together, boom, hit combine, you're all set and ready to go. Lastly, this relates to mapping. On our main overview screen right here, we have room cleaning. So we can pick and choose our rooms to clean if you want. And you can adjust the cleaning settings down below. And we can also do a zone option. You can add up to 5 different zones to have it clean there, and you can do 1 or 2 passes. So on the map, not only do you have the advanced layout and features, but now you get room by room cleaning and up to 5 zone cleans at one time. So the mapping capabilities are simple and straightforward, and it gives you the features that you would want to be able to use when you're cleaning your house. Very customizable and easy to build out and rearrange depending on your preferences.